Introducing the all-new DJI RS4 Mini. Easy to carry, quick to balance, and always ready for action. For the first time, auto axis locks are extended to our Mini series. 1 second unlock, ready to move. Let's roll with it. With the upgraded 4th-gen stabilization algorithm, it packs powerful energy with such a lightweight body. The new Mini briefcase handle makes low-angle shots easier than ever. Need to switch camera? Auto-calibration easily adapts to different models. Running, filming, and evolving for more than a decade, we know the Mini series has always delivered and now offers even smoother results. The 2-kilogram payload lets you swap between cameras, lenses, and accessories freely, taking on tough challenges like a pro. By using Bluetooth camera control, you can focus entirely on your creativity. With a quick toggle of the joystick mode switch, you can easily bring the iconic dolly zoom to life. Along with the classic smooth follow mode, we've added a new responsive mode. The motor reacts instantly to your hand movements, delivering seamless tracking for orbit shots. Together with RS4 Mini, we present you the all-new RS Intelligent Tracking Module. It can be triggered by gestures from the subject being filmed. With intelligent algorithms, it enables automated tracking and framing. You can also maintain overall control by initiating tracking with the trigger. Additionally, the module makes blind shots on the move more effortless, without the worry of losing the subject. Whatever your vision is, RS4 Mini is the one to bring along. To create more native social media content, it comes with a faster vertical switch experience and a brand new phone holder, enabling a smooth transition from camera to phone. For the first time, a Mini series gimbal is equipped with Teflon inner layers and a fine-tuning knob. A faster balancing ensures you get into action even sooner. RS4 Mini boasts a 30% increase in both runtime and charging speed. A 30-minute charge provides 5 hours of battery, ensuring you stay productive and never miss a moment. Head out with full power and return with epic moments. This is the all-new DJI RS4 Mini. Let's roll with it.